What's up, Tech fam? Welcome to today's Tech Roundup. I'm bringing you today's biggest stories. Meta is putting a price tag on your favorite apps. Paystack just revealed its merchant dashboard for the first time in a decade. Let's get into it. Meta has officially rolled out paid subscription plans globally for Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Instagram Plus and Facebook Plus will cost $3.99 a month, while WhatsApp Plus comes in at $2.99, giving users extras like profile customization, super reactions, and story insights. But here's the bigger play. Meta is testing a broader tier called Meta One, which includes AI-powered plans ranging from $7.99 to $19.99 per month, offering deeper reasoning tools and video generation. This move comes as Meta projects between $125 to $145 billion in AI spending this year. Free access remains for now, but the era of fully free social media may officially be ending. Paystack has launched a complete rebuild of its merchant dashboard, its first major overhaul in 10 years. The centerpiece is an AI command center baked directly into the interface. Merchants can now literally ask, why is revenue down this week, and get instant answers in text, tables, or charts, all pulled down from their own data. The new dashboard also delivers full mobile parity and dark mode and services over 300,000 businesses across Africa. The rebuild took 5 months and signals Paystack is building for something much bigger than payments. That's your tech news for today. Drop your take in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.